Good morning, all of you. Welcome to this online classes. Today we are going to start a new topic, which is one of the important topics from your exam point of view. The topic is adverb. I know the first question arises among all of you that what the adverbs are. No worries, I sort it out. See, adverb. Split the word. Ad and verb. The definition is hidden in the word itself. Adverb. Those words which modify or add some new description, any specification in verbs, but not only action verbs, in adjectives, and another adverbs in any sentence. So, I would suggest you all to make your own notes according to your own convenience for the reference of future. Definition. The words which modify or describe verbs, adjectives, and another adverb in any sentence. Now I will describe the whole definition. For example, let's take an example. He runs fastly. The word, you all are aware that the word fastly, the word runs is verb here, action verb. It is describing some action in this sentence, and the word fastly is the word which is describing this verb. So it will said to be adverb. Fine. So this word is describing here the verb, action verb. Next, second example is the example is my sister has worn a very beautiful dress. I don't need to tell you that the word beautiful is an adjective here. Why? Because this word beautiful, this beautiful word is describing here noun. Noun is dress. And there is also a word in this whole sentence that is describing this word, this beautiful word here. And that word is very. Fine? So, this will said to be adverb. Now got it? Adjectives. And the third one, another adverb. Let's take another example. I'm writing here. Raghav runs quite fastly. Same. Now you are getting that fastly is an adverb. And the word quite, it is describing the word fastly. That is adverb. So it will also said to be another adverb. Fine. Now there are several kinds of adverbs. I will describe you one by one all these kinds, and I will tell you that these words quite, very and beautiful, all what are these kinds. Fine. So let's move towards the kinds. Students, I am telling you again and again that make your own notes by watching this video again and again for your own convenience. Fine? First, adverb of manner. Basically, mostly you will find the letters ly at the end of adverbal words in this kind of adverb. Words which describe or gives or give quality or disquality of action verbs. Example, she is very innocent girl. The word innocent is describing here the girl. Okay. Let's take another example. It's adjective, not adverb. Really sorry. She danced beautifully. Yes. The word beautifully here is an adverb of manner because it is describing here the word danced, verb, action verb. And you are watching ly, and in most of cases you will find these letters at the end of adverbal word. Next is adverb of place. The words which indicate any place where the action is occurring. Example, the children are playing outside. Fine. Here the word playing is a verb, and the word outside here is explaining the word playing. So it is an adverb. And which kind of adverb? Adverb of place. Some words I'm telling you which you can find in adverb of place, like words here, there, out, in, above, over, below, everywhere, nowhere, etc. Fine. These words you can find in the adverb of place. Fine. Next, third one is adverb of time. Now, it's very much clear that those words which describe, which indicate any time of occurring any event or any specific action in any sentence. Fine. Which give indication of time of occurrence of any action. Simply. Example, I went to Delhi yesterday. Here the went is a verb, action verb, and the word yesterday is describing the time of occurrence, fine, of this action. So it will said to be the adverb of time. The words like today, yesterday, tomorrow,